David, we appreciate your contribution and all of the information you've been sharing today. And I know, SPARKCon 2020 is all about helping companies and organizations improve. So any last notes or thoughts or suggestions or recommendations about how they might consider this as they go through the current situation? Pandemic and 2020 has been kind of a challenging one. So I'd like to wrap it up with what they can do to help themselves move forward.
I would say take a step back. I know a lot of changes are happening. There's a lot of drama right now. Take a step back, breathe, make a list. Make a list of things to do. And then the next thing, take that list and number it in order of priority. And knock those things off the list. And don't get caught up in committees, meetings. Don't get caught up in that. Keep it moving because you have other things on your list that have to be done. And the longer these things get put off, you're increasing your risk. So
that's great advice. That is great advice. I always progress over perfection. It's an ever-changing world and it's an ever-changing environment. So just continue to make progress. And so I love that feedback, David.